Hello, my name is Craig Glue from Rotex Australia. I'm here at Harlan, Indiana at the factory of Solar Usage Now, a company that specialises in the manufacture of commercial grade and residential solar hot water packages. We're looking at a recent production package here for a hot water system that's going to a high school outside of Cleveland, Ohio. I'll now explain to you the basic operational concepts of this unique system. First of all, the primary piece of equipment of the system is the Rotex storage heat exchanger. This unique tank has some very unique features, such as it's a plastic tank. It's completely non-corrosive. Another feature is it's completely unpressurized. Basically all it is a plastic tank full of hot water. Inside this plastic tank is a stainless steel heat exchanger coil. And this is the coil that exchanges the energy and sends it out to your potable water system for your high school. The unique feature of the system also is the fact that we have the ability to manufacture multiple units. This system's been designed by Solar Usage Now specifically to provide enough water for the high school. So we have 3 tanks manufactured, as you see. All the system pipe work is designed and supplied and installed here at the Solar Usage Now factory. What you see here is the bare bones copper manifolding of the system. The next stage of production here, it goes to the insulation department where they install the insulation over the copper pipework. After completion of the system, they simply unscrew all these side connections, pull it down, ready for transport to the project. In this particular project, the primary heat source for the system are again manifolded condensing flash heaters. These flashes are again produced and manifolded here as a system at Solar Usage Now, based on the manufacturing design, and then piped up, insulated, and then stripped down, ready for transport to the project. After we go through the manufacturing process, we then pressure test the total system to ensure that there are no water leaks when the project arrives on site. We then have, in this particular case, 3 individual tanks. Now these tanks have been specifically designed to go through any normal opening. That's one of the main advantages of getting the job to site, as opposed to one large-scale single boiler or single storage tank when you have to use a crane to get that into position. What you see here is the dual pump station. The larger pump on the bottom is the primary pump that goes to the instantaneous flash heaters and returns back here. The second pump station, which is underneath the black cover, is a series of pumps connected for the solar field and also to house the solar controller. This solar controller drives both the solar system and the primary gas flash heaters. Just to summarise some of these final benefits of the overall system: plastic tank, non-corrosive, unpressurised storage vessel. All your system operational pressures are much less than that of a closed-loop pressurisation system. The water that we fill in this tank is actually used as the heat medium. That water in there never gets consumed. The water that we're heating and your domestic hot water storage is housed within the heat exchanger. Therefore, you're not showering in the water that you're heating directly. System's completely modular, unpressurised, and to be built here in the workshop and reassembled on site. For more information, call Solar Usage Now, ask for Tom Blake. They're just out of Fort Wayne, Indiana, on solarusagenow.com.